Hello and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Are you a fan of commodities? Do you like gold, silver, copper? Well, commodities have been making a pretty good comeback lately, and they went sideways, especially silver and gold went sideways for much of 2018 until the fourth quarter, in which we saw a nice breakout, which is still underway. And so is this the time to get into gold, silver, or copper? A lot of people forget about copper. Which is the best one to get into right now? Well, I cannot tell you what to do or what not to do. You have to make your own decisions, but I can tell you what I'm looking at right now. And first, let's look at a couple of fun facts, just to let you know how high they could potentially go. Gold reached $1,895, almost $1,900 per ounce. We're talking about in US dollars, of course, on September 5th, 2011. Boy, that was a pretty good year for precious metals, right? And silver reached $49.45 per ounce on January 18, 1980, long time ago. But it also reached about the same level, $49.82 in April of 2011. 2011 was quite a good year for precious metals. So that just gives you some idea of how high they could go. So if you think that reaching 15 or 16 per ounce in silver is a lofty goal, that's nothing. It could actually go quite a bit higher. If you think 1,300 is a milestone in gold, imagine 1,900. It is possible. It's been almost there before. All right. So let's take a look at some of the charts. And these are from stockcharts.com. I want to give them credit. This is gold, and as we can see, it's had quite a run-up recently after a lengthy basing process in which it just couldn't seem to lift off from the $1,200 level. And then boom, okay. Is it too late to get in? Well, I think I answered that question. If you're a long-term investor, no, it's not too late to get in. It's been as high as almost $1,900 an ounce. So it's at around $1,300 now. Now, if you're a short-term trader, it might be a little bit late because it looks like it already happened. But if you're long-term, if you're just going to buy it and hold it, you can certainly still get in. How about silver? Kind of the same story. You had that basing process for several months, and then boom, right? Okay, whoops, there it goes. And is it too late to get in? Well, the short-term, yeah, look at all those green candles. I mean, they're not green on stockcharts.com. They're white. But look at all these up days in a row. All right. I don't like to necessarily get in after such a long-term run-up if I'm a short-term trader. But if I'm a long-term investor, then, okay, so it's almost at 16, but that's nothing. It's been much higher, as you can see, a number of times. All right. So it depends on your time frame whether to get in now or not. But don't forget copper. Copper is still relatively down. Yeah, and it's at what you might call a support level, or you don't have to call it support. You could just call it a good price where it's been there before and it bounced off of it. All right. So yes, it's not exactly at the bottom, but it's pretty close. And if you want to talk about resistance levels or maybe just a selling price, you could talk about up here at 285 or so, all right, on this chart. So if any of these are going to be a bargain right now, at least in the short to medium term, I would pick copper just based on the charts, all right? But long term, any of these are fine, all right? So it depends on your time frame as to which one you want to buy and whether you want to buy them at all right? So I hope this was helpful to you. My name's David Modell. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I put out more videos like this. Yeah, and if you want some help with putting together a trading or investing plan, I do coach people on that. My email address is right here, davidmodell, MOADEL, @gmail.com. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you again soon.